What's up, YouTube? We are back. It's been a while. Got a little video here we're doing today. We've got a 2014 Silverado in. Do a little front end work on it, and the customer stated, and we've had this before, and I've actually owned this body style of vehicle, and I've noticed it myself. But the 14 to 18 Silverados, the headlights don't seem to shine out very far. It's like, I don't know, the truck's kind of unlevel, lower, about 2 inches lower in the front, and then the way the headlights are designed, it kind of just cuts them off at the top, you know, right out front. So really your vision out front on these at night is not very good. And so we want to make this video real quick, kind of show you guys what we do to, or what we can do to brighten those up for you. It's an LED headlight upgrade, and then, you know, if that's not bright enough, then we can also level it out, level the truck out, raise it up about 1.5 inches in the front, and that right there will get you your height. So that's what this video is about. We're going to go ahead and throw the front of it back together. It's still tore apart, put the headlights in. Then we'll take it on a drive here in a little bit and show you guys the, when it gets a little darker, we'll show you the stock headlights, and then we'll come back, change them out, put the LEDs in, do another test, and then see how that does as far as up and down visibility and left and right, just to see the difference in the regular headlights and the LED headlights. And then also we will, you know, that generally is okay. It makes it a lot brighter, but it's probably not going to shine out very far because, like I said, the way the truck's designed, it kind of cuts it off short. The way the headlight covers are made, or headlights. But so we'll throw that leveling kit on there also, and show you guys exactly how much that brings it on up. And it doesn't look bad. It actually makes the truck look a whole lot better. It cleans the look up. It don't you know, look squatted in the front like they do from the factory. But it's not a look I like, but some people don't mind that look. But kill two birds with one stone here. Get the headlights and leveling kit, and he'll be able to see and hopefully enjoy his truck a little bit better. Right now he says he can't see, so that's why it's here. All right, guys, this is basically our baseline test here. This is the factory headlights, factory, everything's stock here. We've adjusted them up, and we found out that they're basically at the top of their limit here on the adjuster. So if we go any more, it pulls it out. You know, it just doesn't adjust. So we're up as far as we go. So we did a little test where we jacked it up, the equivalent of the leveling kit, and that actually got us close to 4 inches higher here on these, you know, on our marks, what we're using here. So, you know, 4 inches this close, that should put his, you know, his light, his vision way farther out at night for him. So that's what we're going to do here. First we will, before we put on the leveling kit, first we're going to put in the LEDs just to see how much brighter we can get it, and to see if we can get, like I was talking about, how it looks like your lights are cut off. That's kind of how it looks at night. It just kind of stops right there. So what we're going to do is see if the LEDs, if we can get that any better, or if that's strictly the design of the headlight, which I do believe that's what it is. So that's why we usually end up having to do the leveling kit, which brings it up and then actually gets us our, you know, brighter, further out light that these people are wanting on these. So let's set you guys up here for a second, and then we will throw these LEDs in, and we'll do one at a time, so you can really see. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to watch this video for that. That's basically what this video is about, is the LED lights. So let's go ahead and set you guys up here, and we'll get in that. All right, guys, real quick. He's got one of those lights out. This is what we're going to be using. I think we got these off of Amazon, I believe, made by FAHREN. They're, you know, probably some Chinese. I'm sure they are, but that's all right. We'll see how they work. Give them a little quick review, and I think these were right around $100 for the set, somewhere right around in there. 1-year warranty, so hopefully it's worth it. But you can check these out. They look quality. I mean, they look well built. It's supposed to take you know, exact placement of the stocks, plug right in. So high beams and low beams in this kit. We'll throw them in here and see what happens, guys. All right, guys, these things clip in. They went in pretty easy. All the wiring and stuff, that extra look like bulk, it kind of just fits in here behind these covers. No big deal. They'll go in there just like that, so it ain't going to be extra bulky, or you don't have to worry about how you're going to fit that in there. But let's put these covers on there and put this one in, and we'll take a look at it again. All right, guys, we got the first set in, the first side. Look at the difference. Wow. You can really tell. We haven't really done any adjusting or anything. We just stuck the bulbs in. It's exactly how it was, but with the LEDs in this right side here. So now we'll go ahead, you guys can clearly see the difference, but now we'll go ahead and throw in that other side and make sure, you know, everything's adjusted, they're straight up and down and everything, and then hopefully, I'm sure that's going to work for him. That's pretty bright, but yeah. If that's what you're looking for. Hopefully we'll give it a night test here in a little bit, and you know, you guys can really tell the difference. All right, you guys, here it is with both. You can see we've kind of adjusted them. They're nice and even, perfect across, good pattern. What I am going to do now is show you guys these brights. Serious business. I think that'll work. We're going to go ahead and put it all back together, finish doing what we had to do, little sand, little buff on the truck. But I mean, I do like those lights a lot, so they're if you guys are in the market for them, you're looking, you know, to brighten these things up, get a little bit better, but those are the way to go. Also, we're going to do that leveling kit here, and then we'll take it on a night drive, and then we'll really see the difference of, you know, what it was before to now. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll show you what it looks like here in a little bit at night. All right, guys, leveling kit. If you're here to watch this part of the video, this is super simple. I love these. It's real simple. I'm gonna go ahead and spray everything down with the blaster real quick. These bolts, and then basically you just remove those bolts from the bottom after it's all jacked up and secure, of course. Remove those bolts from the bottom, bang, bang, pull that off, and then we've got this little plate that I'm going to be able to stuff in here. It looks something like this. It's about 1 inch thick. It goes underneath there just like that, and it's got new hardware and goes in, and that'll bring it up about 1.5 inches per the block, or a little over 1 inch per the block, but it'll bring that headlight up. It brings it up close to about 4 inches at just about 10 feet away. So I'm thinking that he's going to have plenty enough field of vision after this is done. So I just want to show you guys that here. As soon as Lou gets these bolts out, I'll kind of give you a little update and show you a little bit closer. All right, guys, night and day difference. Let's take a look. Low beams and high beams. And I'll show you the other one. All right, here is the stock headlights with the brights. So I'm sure you guys can tell a huge difference. Let me know what you think. Huge improvement in my opinion. And we'll go back to the other ones here in a little bit. All right, guys, I hope you could see the clear difference there in between the headlights. The stock ones were there at the end. You yeah, the ones before that were the LEDs. Clear difference, way brighter. The brights are extremely bright. He's probably going to get flashed on those quite a bit, but I hope you guys liked the video. If you got any questions or comments, let me know. Also, I'll put a link for the LED headlight upgrade down in the description in case you guys were wondering about that. We got those, I believe, off of Amazon, so I'll put that link down below. But, thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.